Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best affordable foot spas in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is HoMedics BubbleMate Foot Spa. This is an incredibly affordable product that's perfect for soaking and massaging tired feet. It has a heat setting, but it is best to start out with hot water in the tub. However, it will maintain the temperature of your water, letting you soak for a longer period without getting chilly. Once you plug in the spa, the toe touch control activates the vibration. Also, in the center of the foot bath is a pumice attachment for targeting calluses. Our tester loved the relaxing massage the raised nodes and vibration created, but wished that it did not make quite as much noise, which can take away from the spa-like experience. The foot spa was designed with an integrated splash guard that helps prevent splashing and spills. This makes it easy to carry your foot spa without worrying about spilling the water for a mess-free experience. The foot spa was designed with a convenient toe touch control that allows you to turn it on and off without getting your hands wet. Number 2. Our second best pick is Conair Soothing Pedicure Foot Spa. This spa with soothing vibration massage may only have basic features, but it has everything you need to unwind and relax tired feet. Turn the foot spa on and off with your toes so you don't even have to lift a finger. The vibration offers a gentle massage, and a heat setting keeps your water warm, but it is best to start with hot water. While our tester wished there were more features surrounding the heat or additional jets, they dubbed it a great basic option that won't break the bank. And you can use the scrubber in the middle of the spa to remove calluses or dead skin. Easy to reach on and off button activates with a tap of your foot for a relaxing at-home foot spa experience. Features toe touch controls that activate soothing vibration with an extra deep basin for a full foot massage. Foot bath does not heat water. Fill the foot bath with warm water and enjoy the perfect soak. Number 3. Our third best pick is Zircon 5-in-1 Foot Spa/Bath Massager. No more worrying about your foot bath getting cold after just a couple minutes with this heat-controlled option from Zircon. You can even turn on the red light or the bubbles or a soothing vibration, or use the grooves on the bottom of the spa for a manual massage. The best part of this spa was the ease with which you can control the temperature from 95 to 118 degrees, to fit the perfect temperature for every user. But the massage and vibrations are nothing special compared to other picks, according to our tester. Still, those looking for a warm soak will get a lot of use out of this, and the included tea tree oil foot soak is a nice touch. You can elevate your home pedicure session with the vibration and bubbles features of this foot spa bath massager. Combined with hot water, the vibrating action of this machine will help in bringing down your stress and anxiety levels significantly. The bubbles provide a professional jacuzzi-like addition to your pedicure session. Mini acupressure massage points soothe feet. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Ivation Foot Spa Massager. If you are willing to spend a bit more for a luxurious foot spa, this one from Ivation has all of the features guaranteed to impress. You can control the exact temperature of your water with the easy-to-understand LED display, turn on the bubbles for an added luxurious feel, or set a timer for your foot spa beforehand. Our tester loved that the rollers on the bottom of the spa had grooves and motorized rollers for a deep massage that was amplified by bubbles. You can set the temperature up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, and an easy interface lets you adjust the temperature during use. Since the manual mentioned that bath salts were fine to use, we tossed about half a cup of Epsom salt in, and our tester left feeling like she had softer feet. Just keep in mind, the spa itself is a bit bulky and hard to store, costing the unit 1 point in design. But overall, the abundant features and included accessories make this pick worth the price. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Best Choice Products Motorized Foot Spa Bath Massager. This deep foot spa is perfect for soaking and massages while warming up tired feet. The LED display of this foot bath massage spa allows you to control the temperature of the water as well as the settings of your massages and the duration of your soak. For added luxury, turn on the flowing waterfall that covers your feet to your ankles. Our tester loved the massage and waterfall features that made this stand out from the rest, but the deep bucket can make this option a bit difficult to lean back and relax in. But the wheels make this easy to maneuver and store, and the large tub is ideal for those looking to soak more of their feet at once. Automatic Massager features a shiatsu mode that gently relieves tension, with removable maze rollers for acupoint pressure that helps alleviate stress. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.